Hi guys, I'm Kat. I want to make it easier for guys. This is the Toyota 3Y, 2Y, 2Y, 3Y, 4Y motor. Now to replace the hydraulic lifters, the guys normally take off the cylinder head, but that is unnecessary work today. I'm gonna show you my way of taking it off. This is our new ones. I'm gonna take old one. I'm gonna take out the old ones. This is what I use. I use a welding rod, and then I just knock the point, the one in flat like this, and then I give it a 90 degree bend, and about 10 centimeter long bend. This part here is about 10 centimeters. And now then you strip off you take off your pin push rods and the rock shaft. Then all you do is just this. You drop it down there, drop it down there, and then you hook up. And then you hook out and then you just hook him out. And there you go. And this is how you take out the cam follower, hydraulic cam follower on a 4Y, 2Y, 3Y, and 4Y engine without taking off the cylinder head. Once you're done, you can clearly see where the teeth is looking in. Okay, it falls now. This is the new ones. Pull that out and just put in the other old ones. The old ones come out already lubricant in the packages. So yeah, I hope this video helped you.